Came up this clothesline.
Are they slow too?
Debbie ran out of air in that one time. Yeah. I don't know where she is now.
Watch your bike here, Bill. That last look.
Yeah.
Back her up.
You might be clear.
This is not a good one to go over.
Weed.
Always use your front brake. Always use your brake.
All right, do it again. I didn't catch the picture.
Huh?
I didn't catch the picture. Do it again.
So this is Highway 6, and is that 70 over there? That's got to be 70 over there, isn't it?
Somewhere back that way.
This is the smaller stuff.
Look at that.
Enjoy.
What are you guys doing? Scoping it out?
Yeah. He's deciding to walk it. Must be dangerous. Maybe not.
It's on the switchback behind me.
That's what I keep saying, telling myself I can
Just
ride.
because it's a switchback, or is
Right until you need to make that turn,
Right.
and I can't make the turn.
well, you got to stop.
I wasn't even surprised.
We can't really tell.
At 93, near 93 comes. If I missed my bike. 93. From here. Oh, I'd get back on.
Taking a picture.
Well, you know what you can do though. You know, right? There's a road that's by 70, but you can get up to the valley that way. Or I'd go down 70.
Bad news is the next one's
Yeah.
twice.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, 6. No, 6. I mean, 6 could be quicker. I mean, it's all through some traffic. Then you go back up to what I call the cosmopolitan, just so.
This is the highest elevation of the loop.
I think you might want to walk your bike.
And then you're
Straight over there.
I'm never going to do that.
Yeah?
All right.
Go ahead.
Right up there. Highway 6 is down there.
This is the pinnacle, the view spot, every direction.
Wow. I should take some pictures.
There's Dave down there.
How you doing? Nice rock here. I'm feeling pretty
Oh, yeah.
good, actually.
Look good in your living room, right?
Pretty impressed with myself, actually.
Not riding this now?
No, I'm not riding this one. She's not that impressed. I have to do this more often. Oh, cool.
We should have to go beyond. We're interrupting his solace.
Oh yeah? So is this a regroup or?
Not necessarily, it's just a viewing.
Is this the very top and now it's downhill?
It's down, but a little rolly still.
A little rolly?
And you may want to walk the bike at some
Oh,
Around,
definitely.
point
Without
here.
a
around
doubt.
this curve, there's a sharp curve.
I see it.
And
There's no percentage in
You know, I should take
the
a photo.
quality biker, he walked some parts of this.
Well, if I go last, I'll be fine. That way I don't have to worry about anybody behind me.
No, you want to make sure that you don't.
Oh, I won't. Believe me, I'm very careful. I don't take chances because I want to enjoy it another time.
Yeah. Besides, if you're behind us, I won't be able to get the pictures.
Oh, well, you know that's okay. You don't need my big fanny.
I was joking. I was making a joke.
There I am.
I guess we're all here.
Cover Janet. Yeah, she's here.
This is rideable. Tough but rideable.
Bill, you better move. Jay's behind you.
Go.
Okay, go, Phil.
I like to ride my bike.
You want to go?
No,
You're going to wait. Go, Ted.
go ahead.
I'm not sure what I'm doing here, so meaning whether I walk it or not. This part you can ride, apparently.
Huh?
You can ride it. It goes straight for about 100, no, about
Not very long, huh?
about 125
Long
feet.
enough, right?
Long enough to get on and coast. It's okay. Got to get my second shotgun, which I may stop and do. Make it a little smoother. I have to stop anyway. Second shock is on. And I'm back in the saddle. Much smoother. I could do this, but I'm not. You gonna do it, Bob? You wanna go ahead?
Okay.
Yeah, sure, go to the right. Alright, there's someone stopped on the road. The road's a stop ahead.
Biker up.
That's what I heard. He stopped on the side. There's a couple more behind.
Great.
Well, Harry, that's the rocks that we do there. Keep your left foot up so it doesn't get caught in the weeds or grass or whatever. Right foot is down. And we have a biker coming the opposite way. you do it? Can you make it?
Yeah, got it.
Downhill gives way to uphill. Flat area. Didn't make it. It's because I picked the wrong line. But it was a tough one anyway. Keep back in the pedals. Not a fan of deep furrows, although this isn't. Yeah, I mean, like clips, pretty rocky, really pretty. Wow. Again. This is fun. Slow it down. Make too much fun. Beep beep. Good humor, man. feet up parallel to the ground, pedals. The turn was slow. Could pick it up, but I had no clue what's ahead. Grandmother's house we go. Over the mountain. How you doing? Fancy meeting you here.
Yeah.
And you're on camera too. Hey, how you doing there?
Yeah.
Hi, Jim. That's one of our group going the opposite way. Can you make it? That was my fault. I should have, as soon as I seen him, realized it was downhill and moved over. tells me there may be more. Line turns, I gotta click it slow.
Nice.
You're welcome. You wanna come by, hon? Okay. I'll go down and pull over there. Thank you, hon.
Sure.
I'll pull over. Can you get by?
Yep. Nice man.
You're welcome. Bob up ahead.
Making all these guys move over.
Not to mention you're on camera. Camera. It's rolling.
Hi,
Hi guys. Hello.
Hey.
Nice seeing ya. Bye. One.
Oh. You can go ahead of me if you want.
No.